Hey guys, my name is Joe. I run First on Top SEO. We're a digital marketing and SEO agency. I came across one of your service vehicles in town today. Thought I would look up your website, see if maybe I could help you out in gaining more customers, because that's what we do. We help small business like yours to get more clients coming in through internet marketing. And so the first thing I just wanted to share with you is a couple of tips on how you can uh, just tweak your website and get it to rank a lot higher on the Google search engine. Because I looked up your website online, or I tried to look up your website online using the keywords New Braunfels air conditioning and heating, and I could not find your website. And so if I can't find your website, then other people are not able to find your business either online. And so what we do, we help businesses like yours to get to that first page of the Google search engine, because Google statistics show that 80% of people that are looking for any type of business or services only use those on the first page of the Google search engine. So anything on the second page and beyond really don't get no business or traffic going to their website, and in return, no one's using their services. And so the first thing I just wanted to share with you that you can do to your website in order to get it to rank higher is changing the metadata or the meta title. Now the meta title, and I'll show you right here. I have this tool that I use to extract it, and also your H1 header. But the meta title is really what everyone sees before they click onto your website. And so the title of your meta title is Heating and Cooling System, Home Climate Express Heating and Air. And I'll show you where that's at. If we click out of the website here, it's all these little blue pieces of information that Google looks at. And so yours, every website has one before you click onto it. So like I was mentioning, yours is Climate Express Heating and Air Conditioning, or Heating and Air. And so what we've seen in order to get Google's attention to rank your website higher is, instead of putting the business name, you should first put the city and then what type of business you do. So you would want to put New Braunfels and then put heating and air conditioning, and then you can put Climate Express Heating and Air LLC. And so, excuse me, by doing this, Google's able to determine exactly what city that you're trying to rank in and what type of business you do. And so that's the first thing I wanted to share with you, is what Google calls the metadata. And so the metadata, like I mentioned, just helps Google to see what city and what type of business you do. Now, the second thing that will really help you out as well, and the two go together, is what Google calls the H1 header. And that's the first thing that pops up when someone clicks onto your website. And so, as we can see here, your header one is just simply Climate Express Heating and Air. And so what you would want to do in this situation is mimic what's on your metadata, and which should read city and then what type of business you do. And so on this H1 header, your first heading that comes up, you want to do the same thing. You want to put city and then what type of business you do, and then underneath that you could put your business name. And so you would want to put New Braunfels uh, heating and air conditioning, and then underneath that you could put uh, your business name, Climate Express. And so these two things they seem very small, but are very critical in order for Google to rank your website, because just like I mentioned, it tells Google what city you're trying to rank in and what type of business you do. And now these two things are the first things that should be fixed on a website. There's also numerous things that you can also do in order to gain a higher ranking with Google. But these are the primary things at first that you want to change, so that you can get a higher ranking and more people being able to find your business online and calling and using your services. Thank you for your time. That's all I wanted to share with you today. Hopefully, you can implement this as quick as possible onto your website. If you have anyone that you know or that you that works for you that are able to do this, I would get them to do this very quickly. If you need help on doing these things, we would love to help you here at First on Top, and just give us a call or just message me back. I'll leave all my information here on the bottom of this message. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.